Man, look at Poppy's right here. What's up, beautifuls?
Ready.
Hey, phone to the voicemail. Probably you doing something, you know. But I'm off to bed now.
Alright guys, so it is fucking 7 in the morning. We want to start this shit early, knock it out early too, so that way if we run into any troubles, we have time to actually figure it out and David won't get stuck with like no car. Just put some shit I have in my backpack, get the wrench and go out into the smaller street because this big street is busy. I do have the smaller tools in my backpack. I don't want to pull out too much stuff right now because I am alone and I'm gonna have to leave it alone. So I might I might get jacked. People do take shit around here. So I'm just waiting for David to pull up. He's like at Home Depot or like McDonald's or some shit, but he should be pulling up pretty soon. I don't know. I have a job, a couple paychecks come in. I pay back everybody that I borrowed money from. My dad come back. I'm gonna lower this car and it's gonna be over for you bitches. And I need new tires. So cut. What the hell? It's cold as balls. I'm still waiting for David. I just have this shit right here in the trunk. I'm waiting for him, but he's at McDonald's right now. Man, look at Poppy's right here. What's up, beautifuls?
Ready.
Alright, yo, so it's been a while since I recorded. It's like now, like what time is it? Like noon?
Fuck yes, man.
Probably like at noon. We spent a cool hour on the front, a cool couple hours on the front. There's David's car right here. Anything you want to say, David?
Fuck it, let's get this shit done, bro.
I got this shit. We also got Daddy Chris in the car. Look.
Daddy Chris. Working hard over there.
Working hard. Light one on. That shit looking pretty. Look at this. But it's not maxed out yet because we don't have the wrenches to lower this bitch. And now we got the left one out, and we about to put this shit in it. You like it or love it?
That shit slap.
And now we need to do the back. Let's do this shit. What time is it? It's only like 12:30, huh?
Only like 12:30.
Alright, so we got the front wheels nice and tucked. We just put the back on the jack. We got the wheels off. We're about to put jack stands. We got this shit. That for Chris still sleeping. Yeah, this shit just looks beautiful. It's gonna come out looking nice.
Didn't wake up. All right, let's see it. The fit, man. Final touches or what?
We just need the spanner wrenches and we good, brother.
All right, let's move them shit.
What's up? It's only maxed out yet.
Man, who is this fucking crackhead over here? Oh yeah.
Bro, we finished, bro. How you feel?
Get your oh, I'm fucking feeling good, bro. Shit. Look at this. Look at the fitment on it, bro.
It needs work. We gonna get there though. Hun Racing, where dreams come true, huh?
Racing, dog.
Hun Racing, bro. I'm still crippled. By the way, he'll wait.
Get on my picture.
What? Look at homie.
Fuck with a real cripple, bitch. Fuck with a real cripple. Cripple dick, make it dick. Cripple dick, make it dick.
Come back, stupid. It's out. It's out.
Bro, he gonna scratch your rim.
I'll kill this.
You're still far.
You're still far from the curve. There.
You don't want to scrape.
Hey, bro, I think you're like 2 feet in.
Alright guys, I know the video cuts a lot throughout the day. It was just David and I working on the suspension. He said that Chris didn't sleep all night, so I mean, he slept most of the day. And yeah, I apologize for not getting enough footage of actually installing it. But hopefully we got good footage of the car rolling. I just wanna thank you guys again for watching. If you're new, subscribe, and then thank you guys for the support. And yeah, we'll have way more coming.